Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be unboxing a Dremel 8220 rotary tool. So Dremel has been pretty excited about the laser cutter videos I've been sharing, and they wanted to help out and see if they could support my projects a little bit. So they actually gave me this tool, and I'll be using it to finish off some of my laser cutting projects, which I'll be sharing very soon. I thought I'd share an unboxing first so that we can take a look at what comes with the 8220. So first off, this is a cordless tool, and it is a high versatility and high power. So this will give me a lot of options for how to use it, both with laser cutting projects and non-laser cutting projects. So it comes in a sturdy plastic case, which is pretty nice. And here it is. Okay, we've got the charging base, and here's the tool itself. It is somewhat heavy, but not too bad. I was a little worried with the 8220. All of the pictures they have online is like using it with two hands to do stuff, and I'm going to be doing detailed work, so I want to actually be able to hold it like a pencil or a soldering iron in order to get into nooks and crannies. Let's take a quick look at how it works. We have the power settings down here, and we've got the on-off. So it does come slightly charged, which is awesome, and let's hear what the difference is here. Okay. That's pretty cool. It's got variable speeds on this. That's really nice. It also has a battery gauge right here, I noticed. So when it is on, it shows you what the battery level's at. The charging base looks pretty easy to set up. And yeah. Okay, so that is super easy. And that's a big chunk of the weight on this, so that is nice. Okay, let's see what else it comes with. So we've got the cutting guide. So this will attach to the base here so that you can actually use that as a cutting guide. And then here's all the attachments it comes with. It's all listed on the back of the box for details on what specific tools these are, but there's a variety of sanding options, a variety of grinding wheels, polishing, and then a drill bit, some compound, and then whatever this is. I don't even know what this does. I'll have to figure that out. But what I'm mostly looking forward to is using the sanding in order to sand some of the edges of the laser cut pieces to get some of the scorch marks off, and then also using the polishing to get most of the soot off. If I want to leave the charred color, I can just use the polishing. If I want to take the charred color off, I can use the sanding. So I'll be playing with both of those on a new project I have coming up. And here is the wrench that comes with it. And that way, it's got the little lock button here. I can actually hold that in place. Okay, so loosen that a little bit, open it up. Now I can stick my tool, tighten that back up, and now I don't have my battery in. Okay, so now that's pretty cool. Makes it pretty easy. So all of the accessories came in this little box, but they also have spots for them to go in the case itself. So once I get that all figured out and set up, I'll do a quick update video showing how everything sits in the case itself. So I've got everything back in the case. The little wrench has its own spot right up here in the top, and then I have some of the grinding bits wedged into their little spots here. So that's pretty much the whole setup of the Dremel 8220. So I'm excited to try this out with a new project. I made a first version of it here. This is a pegboard toy for my daughter. So she's almost 2. And what I'm excited to use the Dremel for is cleaning out all of these holes that I've cut out. So if you see, it's currently leaving a lot of soot on my pegs that I've painted. So I'll be doing a second version of this with a whole video to show you how I made it and sharing the files for this one so you can make it yourself as well. And then I'll be using the Dremel to clean it up and do some sanding and polishing on it. So thanks for watching.